I got a Flatface unboxing. So yeah, I just opened a little bit to look inside, but first, graffiti, blue thingy, dark wood, sign says. Whatever. This, oh, change, I guess. FBS. It's a new package, and it comes with like stickers now and tape. Yeah, it's cool. New packaging and stuff. So yeah, loading dock. Here's the rail. Yep, and here's the rail. So yeah, I'm gonna have a video soon today, but just not on this. Oh, because I filmed last night and edited a little. I just need to finish editing, and I'll put it on either later today or tonight, and then probably tomorrow or something. I'll make a video on this, and there will be a review coming on this soon. So yeah. Oh yeah, and this Mike shipped it yesterday, and it came today, so that's pretty good. But we live in the same state, so it's not. It's always like that. And I guess from Flatface. So yeah, peace.